Hi, Gitans. Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. I'm doing great. How about you?
I am doing good. Thank you. For the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Gitans today. Gitans has recently completed his Cybersecurity Certified Ethical Hacker CEH training, and recently he attended the exam and passed the examination with a good score. So today we are here with Gitans to discuss his feedback about the training, what kind of approach he took for the examination preparation, why he opted for iMedita classes, and other training related feedback as well. So hi Gitansh, welcome again and let's get started. So Gitansh, can you tell us about yourself and your background, education? Can you please give us a quick introduction about yourself?
Sure, sir. So my name is Gitansh Takle, and I do belong to my Pimpri Chinchwad, and also I'm doing my bachelor's in computer engineering, and right now I'm in my fourth year. And I just thought that rather than doing this certification after the degree and just wasting my time of this degree itself, then I should opt for some certification and grow my skills. So for that, I choose Amedita to upskill my what to say my upskill my resume, or let's say portfolio.
Okay,
So yes, for that I opted Amedita for the certified ethical hacker.
great. So you enrolled for CH classes. May I know who was your instructor?
So my instructor was Yuvraj Singh, sir,
Okay. So how were
and
your
he was
how were your classes? How was your experience with the instructor?
so Yuvraj Singh sir was a great personality in my opinion, because the level of knowledge he have and the approach he have about what to say about explaining the concepts is just mind blowing. Because when I see some concepts about security, which are a bit what to say a bit complicated, but the way he explains me is just what to say we can like it is very good. Okay, so I think the classes were very good. I had my classes on the weekdays batch, so I had four classes in the week, and I also done the study in the lab itself, as I made to have 24/7 service for the lab. So I did my study for the lab itself, in the lab itself.
So how much time you were spending with your classes? So I assume 2 hours of live classes, and after 2 hours of live classes, how much time you were spending for your lab and self-study?
Okay, so initially I was not into so much into studying, but after I got to know that this certification is not an easy job, so I did my study, and I did study for, let's say, 3 to 4 hours a day. And in my last month, I've been studying like 5 to 6 hours daily.
Okay. So
So
you finished
yes,
your course in which month?
video courses lecture.
Not video courses, the live classes. You finished your live classes in which month?
Yeah, okay, so my live classes started in July 24, and it was finished around August mid.
Okay, so you enrolled for
Mid
the
of the
July
August.
batch, and by July, August end or September starting, you finished your this CH course, right? Okay.
Yes, sir,
And
yes.
after that, because recently, yesterday only, that is 15th of November, you attempted the examination and qualified the examination with a good score. So I am assuming that September month and October month you spent on your examination preparation, right? What
Right, sir.
approach you took for the exam preparation? What documentation and resources you followed?
So the resources were the one which were provided by the instructor itself, and the lab session which was covered by Yuvraj Singh sir. So I just winded up those sessions clearly, and by those lab sessions, I got to know more about what to say more about the practical knowledge rather than the theoretical knowledge. So in this certification, if you have the practical knowledge, then you can easily crack this exam.
Okay. You need to have scenario based knowledge and understanding of the concepts. Okay.
Right, sir. Mainly the exam is about the scenario-based questions.
Okay, fine. So I think you have enrolled for the first time with CH course with iMedita, right? This was your first course with iMedita.
Right,
So
sir.
what was the reason and motivation to join only iMedita? I assume there are many players, many training institutes, training companies offering similar kind of course. Why you opted for iMedita only?
So, sir, like in my initial phase, when I started searching for this for the vendors who were giving the CS certification, so I gone to various types of training institutes, including iMedita. But I think iMedita have that approach and have that focus towards teaching a student to the, let's say, if a student have a knowledge of a knowledge like knowledge of one level, then he can like this training institute can level up his knowledge to the next level, like considering the student have no knowledge about this domain. So I think and also the lab access which we have 24 by 7, that's just mind blowing. Like I will have I have the access to study anytime I want, and I will not have to plan my day to study, but because I have that access to like my schedule my timetable on the day.
Okay. So uh, generally, when we buy any kind of services, any kind of products, there are certain expectation
Yes.
before we buy those services. Now, you have enrolled with iMedita 2, 3 months back. You completed your course. You are now done with your certification. So I am 100% sure before taking admission with iMedita, there must be certain expectations that I need this
So,
kind of knowledge. I am expecting this kind of material, this kind of workbooks, lab guides, this kind of instructions from instructor, and this kind of preparation for the examination. I'm sure you must have certain expectation before taking admission here. And now, once you have completed everything, were we able to match those expectations which you were having prior joining the course? So did
yes, sir.
we?
I'll be very honest with this question. Yes, sir. I'll be very honest with this question. I am completely satisfied with the service I have received because, like I said, the Yuvraj Singh sir had a great knowledge about the CH course, and also uh, the guidance which was provided by you. So that also helped me to grow and also to learn something out of this course, not only about the course itself, but I got to know that how the professionals in this field work and do do collaborate with one another.
Fine. Since you are in college right now,
Yes,
you are
sir.
in your last semester. What are your next plans now? What after
Yes.
graduation?
My next plan would be I'll be like for now I'll be searching for some jobs, and as I'm ready to have the job placement assistance, I'm sure that I'll get the job, so that. And yes, I'm planning to upskill my skills more
Okay,
till I graduate, and also to get a job of my dream.
fine, great. And do you have any suggestion, any feedbacks for us through which we might improve our training and services in future? Any feedback from your end?
So at my level, I don't think there should be any improvement, because this is more than something a student can ever ask for. So yes, I'm completely satisfied with this.
Great. Thank you, Gitansh. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Keep learning. You being a fresh undergrad, you have to learn a lot of things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to look for
Yes, sir.
opportunities in this semester related to internship. If you get some internship opportunities, would be good for you.
Right,
Okay.
sir.
Rest. All the best. Keep in
Yes,
touch.
sir.
Okay. Keep growing. Keep learning. Thank you, Gitansh.
Sure, sir. Yeah, thank you for having me. Thank you, sir.